If your AirTag haven't connected with your iPhone, I show you how you need to troubleshoot. So first you need to make sure these 5 things. First, turn on the internet. Either it's cellular data or Wi-Fi. Second, turn on the Bluetooth. Third, open settings and scroll down and open privacy and security and location services and turn on the location services and make sure open Find My, and it's need to select to while using the app. Now fourth, Find My iPhone. Open Find My iPhone and make sure it's turned on. This one also very necessary. Then finally back and click the search and just type keychain. Open this. Make sure this keychain was turned on. So this is the 5 things you need to make aware you turn on this feature if your AirTag didn't connect with your iPhone. So other than this, make sure your AirTag have enough battery. So if it is an old AirTag, you need to definitely change your battery. If you want to know, watch this video.